Hello, thank you for your interest in our Everyday Open House program. I am so excited to tell you about what this program is. But before I do, I want to tell you about how we got here. So back in 2020, when the pandemic started, it was becoming very apparent that the consumers were looking for professionals, real estate professionals that were ready to move quickly. And it was no surprise because the market was moving so fast with multiple offers, a few seconds on the market. If you didn't get into the house immediately, you weren't going to have an opportunity at it. So I coined our team Realtors on Demand. I wanted to signify that we were ready to say how high when you said jump. And with that, we have continued to seek more and more services, higher level of services that we can bring to our valued customers. So this is one of those programs we are launching with the Everyday Open House. Behind me, you can see a slideshow of some of the gorgeous properties that we have for sale. These properties are being held open daily, and we're trying to make it as efficient and easy as possible for you to get into these homes and explore them, envision your family living in them, and see if they're the right fit for you so that you don't miss out. So we welcome you to call us. Just ask us what times for the properties that you're interested in, and we will get you in them as soon as possible that day. We have a variety of homes, everything from $360,000 in Pine Ridge Estates to $615,000 in Inverness on the Lake, and then $1 million in Terra Vista and everything in between. So if any of these homes are striking your fancy, please reach out to us. We'd love to give you a really nice private low-key tour of these homes, and it's our goal to make it as efficient and easy as possible. So I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty and RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Can't wait to show you these homes.